Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve notes from an Acer Nitro 5 computer. First, make sure your Acer Nitro 5 computer is turned on and you are on the desktop screen. Now, think about where your notes were saved. Most notes are saved as text file, Word document, or inside a note app. First, right-click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Document and press Enter. The document file will open. Look through the file and folder carefully. If you see your note, double-click to open them. If you don't see your note, go back to the search bar, type the name of the note or word you remember. From the note, Windows will search your computer for matching file. If you use app like Notepad or Word, open the app, then click File and choose Open. If your note were deleted by mistake, open the recycle bin, look inside and see if your notes are there. If you find them, click Write and select Restore. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.